Welcome back, all my radical people. Today I want to show you the new birds we got. We had a friend that needed to get rid of some mini serranas. Ooh, there goes a hawk. Some mini serranas and some couple roosters. We're gonna call our Mexican friend up and give those to him. But let me show you the flock we got going on right now. Oh yeah, I forgot. Oh, we also got some dove too. I mean, not doves, some quails. Got a couple. We got like 7 quails. Look, there's another one right there, an all whitey. They're still learning though. But check out all these birds we got. We got a whole lot of these little roosters right here. We might have to get rid of a couple of those. Got Larry. Yeah, you know, so, I mean, our flock is growing. We have a couple of roosters that we got to get rid of, though, for sure. But let me show you a couple more of these, what are they called? I keep forgetting. Quail. They're real skittish right now. I think they grew up in a cage where they couldn't fly very well. So this is all new to them. But let me show you what we got going on here. You guys see him back there? Another little guy right there. That rooster right there, we're getting rid of that guy right there. I like this guy. These are the little serranas right here. Couple more eggs, look at that. There's like that green one, that's Karen, that's an Easter egger. Not really sure what those little brown ones are right there. They're definitely not mini serrana eggs, because that one's a mini serrana egg. Mini serrana, I don't know. Easter egger. What's up, guys? I know you guys came. You guys were the last 2 we patched, huh? Look at that little quail right there. There's a lot of roosters over there. Those guys all gotta go. Bye-bye. We can't have all those. Look at all those. There's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. At least 10. We're only gonna keep a couple of those little roosters. They all gotta go though. That's just too damn many. Check it out. It's one of the quails. There's Diesel, he wants in. Come on. Look, I learned this the other night when we got these birds. This is how you catch a quail. Just like that. Got him tucked up here in my hat right here. I'm just gonna take him over here to his buddies over here. Maybe he got lost, separated. I gotta build like some houses and stuff for these birds. Yeah, look, here's their little corner. Oh, my buddies. All right, everyone. Thanks for watching the video today. I just wanted to show off all the new birds we got. One of the next videos, I'll show you all the new birds we're gonna get rid of. Thanks for watching. I know, he's one of them getting rid of. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment down below. Give us a thumbs up. Share it with your friends. Like always, hope you guys are having a wonderful day. Alright, check it out. We scored. This is after Caleb went this morning, which I know he didn't find the duck egg. And right here we got an Easter egger. This is Karen's. And then I think these two are mini Serrana eggs right here. And these two, I'm not sure who these came from. But either way, so we got half a dozen eggs this morning.